Hello, my friends. Welcome back. This is Simona Cochi, and I'm here to introduce today one of the most powerful pavilion at Biennale the 60th edition. I'm talking about the Polish Pavilion, and the title of this work is Repeat After Me, second edition. This is a poignant audio-visual installation by the Ukrainian Open group. This work transforms the harrowing experiences of Ukrainian war refugees into a powerful narrative, inviting viewers into a dialogue that transcends boundaries. And they succeed in having and gathering together different individuals that repeated the sounds and the emotions, and they storytell in a really powerful way what they experienced during this long and exhausting war. And I think this is one of the most powerful works, compelling and immersive, also because these people know so well the sounds of the shellings, the bombs and everything, that they master the sound and the environment in which they have been living till now, because it's not over, of course, and we are here also to support works like this, because I think it has been one of the best way they represent the Ukrainian drama. So, as I said, this installation not only highlights the resilience of war refugees, but also invites viewers to participate in a critical reflection on the impacts of the conflict. I have to highlight that also they try to, in a grotesque way, just to make it grotesque, they set up the venue in order to resemble a kind of karaoke set, and this is really strong as a concept. You will see after my little introduction to this pavilion a selection of short video that I grab from the Instagram Polish Pavilion that I invite you to visit, because they set a complete range of communication platforms such as Instagram, the Polish Pavilion, and they contribute with outstanding pieces of contributions, such as video, sounds, and whatever it is. And I invite you to know and to discover more if you can personally go to Venice. All you need is essentially dive into this project and try to imagine the same situation they've been to. So I leave you with the selection of images and sounds. Keep on staying tuned. Simona Cochi, The Italian Way.
Praca Open Group nie wymaga wymyślnej oprawy, jest bardzo silna. Natomiast staraliśmy stworzyć jej optymalne warunki do odbioru, jeżeli chodzi o dźwięk, czy oświetlenie, czy na przykład ilość wielorakich siedzisk. Ale nawet na poziomie doboru koloru, który czasami wydaje się wesoły i jasny, a czasami ponury i ciemny, chcieliśmy przywołać nasze wspomnienia z niedawnej wizyty w Ukrainie, czyli stworzyć taką rzeczywistość, w której rzeczy normalne nie są, a te, które są zupełnie nienormalne, stają się codziennością.
Повторюйте за мною. Повторюйте за мною.